In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences and rules in ManyChat. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. ManyChat is a powerful tool for automating conversations through Facebook Messenger and other platforms. One of its most useful features is the ability to set up sequences, which are essentially a series of automated messages sent out to your subscribers over a specific time frame. These sequences can help you engage your audience, nurture leads, and provide timely information without needing to be present in real time. The first step is to log into your ManyChat dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar menu and click on the Automation section. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for your sequences, rules, and everything related to automated interactions. Next, once you're in the automation area, you'll want to select Sequences. Here you can manage existing sequences or create new ones. To create a new sequence, simply click the New Sequence button located in the top right corner. This will take you to a screen where you can start building your automated flow. Now it's time to give your new sequence a name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Welcome Series or Follow-Up Campaign. Naming your sequence appropriately is crucial, especially if you plan to create multiple sequences in the future. Once you've named your sequence, go ahead and click the Create button. After creating your sequence, you'll find yourself at a blank canvas where you can start shaping your automated messaging. The Flow Builder is where you'll do most of your work. Click on the message block to create or choose your first reply. Think about what you want to communicate to your subscribers first. This could be a warm greeting, an introductory message about your brand, or even a special offer that you want your audience to see. Now let's move on to setting up the timing of your messages. Timing can greatly affect how your subscribers engage with your content. You can choose to send a message immediately after they subscribe, or set delays so that your messages follow a specific order over several days. Just click on the block of the message you created and look for the timing options. It can really help to stagger your messages to keep your audience engaged over a longer period. Remember, the goal here is to create a series where each message builds on the previous one or provides relevant information that keeps the conversation flowing. If you want to add more messages in the sequence, just click the Add Message option, and you can continue constructing your flow. Think of it as a conversation where you lead the narrative. Once you've added the sequence of messages and configured their timings, it's time to get everything set up for action. Before you finish, go through each message to ensure the flow meets your expectations. Once it's all good to go, look for the toggle feature that sets the sequence to active. This is an important step, because your sequence will only start sending messages once it's published and active. Finally, don't forget to test your sequence after it's live. You can use ManyChat's preview features to check how it flows for your audience. Keep an eye on engagement metrics to see how effective your messaging is and where you might need to adjust. And there you have it. You've created your first sequence in ManyChat. With this tool, you can engage your audience automatically, saving you time while also providing valuable content to your subscribers. Be sure to experiment with different types of messages and timing strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Happy chatting!